Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Google Pixel 8 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with the most important thing, which is the internet connection, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. Then we can enter the Play Store. If you've got your Google account currently added to the device, you will be able to follow all of my steps. If you want to learn more, simply check our tutorial of how to add the Google account. If you do not have one, then you will have to do it basically right now. So you have to either log in or sign up, so create the account, because without it, you will not be able to use anything from the Play Store, so be aware about that. After activating the Google account, after signing in, simply tap on this circle, which is your account, and then tap on Manage Apps and Device. Now we have to tap on Manage, and as you can see right here, we've got the list of all currently installed apps, and if you want to check the updates, simply tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, we've got the apps which we can update. So basically all we have to do is to find the app and mark it. Of course, if you want to, you can mark all of the apps and update all of them. However, I don't want to do it right now. So let me just pick maybe Google Chrome and Google Drive, and then tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, your device will right now download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So basically you do not really need to do anything more, just wait patiently. Of course, you don't have to wait here, you can just go back and do whatever you want. Alright, and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.